Okay, so here we are again in another video, and today we're gonna start with the DXY as always. Today I only had one trade. The market is a little bit strange as this week we are gonna have a lot of news. So usually when we have weeks like this, its movements are or like a lot of ranging or like a really strong move. Okay. So today on the DXY we had this previously low and trial liquidity on H1 being taken. So we had liquidity here on this trial liquidity H1 or this previous weekly low, and maybe we had it here, and here we have liquidity too. But in the end it took this liquidity on H1, taking it with the strength, and in this case it didn't give any opportunity to enter or any setup. So let's see EU. Okay, so as you can see, ranging, and then it's like a normal week, but it's much more different. Like there are not a lot of confirmations, for example, and it's a little bit much more like volatile, and you have to be more patient in the end. Okay, so in the end took that. So in this case, we're going up, taking the previous daily high. We had this breakup structure here, so relevant liquidity on H1 here and relevant liquidity on H1 here. So I was looking for a trade down here because we already took this R5 here, so I couldn't look for sells. And then we had this movement to the downside. I wanted to look for buys, but no opportunity in this case. And in the end, it finally took the trial liquidity on 5 and the trial liquidity on H1. Okay. But yeah, no trades for me. Why the fuck this alarm does not disappear? No one knows. Well, someday. GU. This was my only trade of the day. And I'm gonna explain right now why I took that. So obviously, let me take this out so you have this one doesn't want to disappear too, and this one, let's see if it disappears. Yeah, okay, so we had these movements to the upside. We had cleared our liquidity on H1 here, and I wanted to look for this to be taken. We took previous daily high, so real liquidity H1 here. We had breakout structure, but out of timing. Then it moved down, taking the previous daily low, real liquidity H1 and everything, and then the previous weekly low. So I think at some point we will take all this shit up there. This is real liquidity H1 too. And so we had a breakout structure here, but out of timing. I didn't look for entries here. I thought it was too clean, like too clear, and I just wanted to wait for the timing. So we took that to the downside. ATR here. We finally broke a structure in the end. And I waited for this imbalance to be taken. We had like the round liquidity one was here. So engulfing candle, with the spread and everything, of course. Entry here. I entered with the account that I have two accounts now. One is up 2.6% and the other it was down to 1.8 and now is 0.8 down. I took the trade with this one that I was already down, as it was like I didn't really like that the trade then went down. So I took it 50% on break even. We hit break even, and then it starts going up again, but ranging. As I said, the market is strange these days because a lot of news are coming. So nothing to say anymore. Target, profit, and I'm happy with that. Okay. USDJPY. In this case, we went down all day long. We even took this relevant liquidity on H1 and all day ranging. Okay, so there was nothing on GU, no, or UG, no, what the fuck, UJ. So I was waiting. We had break obstructor here. I was waiting for this to be taken. This is out of timing. Yeah, this is not correct. I changed that, bro. I don't know what the fuck. Why the fuck is not changing? So yeah, I was waiting for this low to be taken, and in the end, it didn't take that. Traveling with 5 up here, nothing. So no trades for me on UG. USD as you can see, no confirmations at all. A lot of fucking alarms, but no confirmations. So it took previous daily low. We had traveling with H1 here. Why the fuck my alarms are not going out? I don't know. Well, so traveling with H1 up here, and I was looking for sells, but the break obstructor was here, and the rally liquidity on M5 was up here, and then we took the other rally liquidity on H1, but out of timing already, and well, no trades for me, of course. And USD CAD, more or less the same. We took this previously low and rally liquidity on H1. I was waiting for a break obstructor, no break obstructor, clear target, so yeah, no trade for me. So well, this was my day. I hope you like it, and of course, as always, see you tomorrow. Bye bye.